Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Unique Bundle, with Lessons 2 of Shotcut Video Editor Tutorial. If you are here, without watching Lesson 1, please, watch Lesson 1 first, in my channel, Unique Bundle, to get better result, when creating videos. Okay, let's get started Lesson 2, from, where, we left at Lesson 1. Here you can see, this is playlist, where, you can import your, raw videos. Now I am going to import some videos from my computer's hard drive. Simply, select videos, drag and drop, on playlist, exactly like that. Once you import your videos, double-click in any of your videos to find, right moment of the video you looking for. Best way to do, please insert timeline, where, you can edit your videos. To insert timeline, here you can see, this timeline area, where you can work editing your video. There are two tabs here, keyframes and timeline. Firstly we going to work with timeline. I will be showing you, work of, keyframes later on next lessons. For now, I am going to click on timeline, click on 3 lines here. Click on track operations. Then click on, add video track. Here you can see, video track has been added in your timeline. You also can, add video track by pressing, Ctrl+I, here you can see, there are 2 video track. You can add many videos track like that, as you need. Now, I am going to drag and drop my first videos into timeline, to edit my videos, where I can choose right part of the videos. Once I drag and drop video, you can see here, empty space here, which I don't need. I am going to, simply, drag and drop my video here. If you click on this snap tool, that will work as magnet. What that means is, when you drag your video close to the edge, it automatically adjusts the empty space. Second method is, you can double right-click on empty space, then press X in your keyboard, that will delete empty space. Here you can see, this is timeline, which helps to find right moment of the videos. If you press home button on your keyboard, that take timeline to the beginning of the videos track. You can also simply drag timeline like this to find right moment of the video. The space bar in your keyboard is for play and pause the video. Otherwise, you can simply click on play bottom. For me, this is the right moment of the video. So I am going to drag timeline here, click on video clip, click on this tool here, to split your video. Once you click on this tool, the video will be split. Or, you can simply press S in your keyboard, which is shortcut method. Now, I am going to delete unwanted part of the video. Select clip, and press delete on your keyboard. Or, you can press X in your keyboard which delete the clip without leaving empty space in the video track, which I prefer to do, because it saves the time. I am going to do same process to delete unwanted part the video at the end of the video clip, exactly like that. I am going to do same process to the remaining raw videos clip. Now I am making my video runs faster while I complete same process to the all video clip. Once I complete, I will slow video down. Now I have finished splitting and deleting unwanted part of all videos clip. Here you can see, these are the video parts. I wanted to make perfect video, which I got now. You can go beginning of the video track, pressing home button in your keyboard, or simply drag the timeline. Then, press spacebar to play final, wanted video clips, or you can simply click on play button. When you take your mouse cursor, here, in dot lines, it changes into plus sign. Simply click, hold, and drag to make bigger screen exactly like that. Then, you can replay, to watch, final clips. That's all, for this lesson 2. I will get back to you with another, lesson 3, next week. Please keep practicing, lesson 1 and 2, until lesson 3 comes out. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Unique Bundle, for upcoming videos.